Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is the heterotrophic nutrition. So from this topic I prepared 10 bits from this topic. So I will explain bit to bit. So first question is, how many types of nutrition found in living organism? There are three types. First is the autotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition. So I'll give the examples also for autotrophic nutrition. Obviously plants. Parasitic nutrition, some animals and some plants also parasitic. So here cuscuta is a plant. So I said plant is the autotrophic nutrition. But some type of plant like cuscuta, it is also related to the parasitic nutrition. Why? Because it is lack of chlorophyll or little amount of chlorophyll presence. That is why unable to prepare the food. Here, so cuscuta, lice, leech, and tapeworm. Tapeworm is present in our stomach, like intestines, and absorb the nutrients in the saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition is nothing but depends upon the other organisms only, but it is absorb the nutrients from the outside of the body only, not inside of the body. So how the digestion process occurs in our body, it is going on inside of our body. But saprophytic nutrition, it is going on outside of yeast and mushroom mold, rhizopus, their bodies. So that type of nutrition is known as the saprophytic nutrition. Examples are mold, yeast, mushroom. Second question is, what is pseudopodium? Pseudopodia. So the temporary finger-like projections, ejections or projections of cell surface of amoeba. Okay, I will show the diagram. So here I drawn the diagram. See the amoeba, it is a shapeless, continuously changes its body shape. Why? Because it increases the pseudopodiums, body projections. See the finger-like projections, small ejection from their body. These are each and every ejection is known as the pseudopodia. Clear? So, examples, third question is examples for unicellular organisms. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena. Fourth question is, what is the shape of the paramecium body? So there is a slit-pie shape. What is cytostome? So the cytostome is present in the paramecium body, which is helpful to injection of the food. Okay, I will show the diagram here. See, this is the body of paramecium. It is the slipper-shaped structure. Here, there is a area which is collection useful for collection of the food. See, red color spots are the arrow marks also are given. This is the helpful for entry of the food molecules, food particles. So that area is known as the cytostome. Okay, clear. So what is the cytostome here? The part which is food, which is the area food is ingested in the paramecium body. Sixth question is example for parasitic plant, dodder plant, or scientific name is the Cuscuta reflexa. What is Hastoria? The Hastoria is a structure, root-like structure which absorb the nutrients. So for example, I will draw the diagram here. The Cuscuta plant does not have the chlorophyll, right? But how it lead the life? For example, it is a host plant, other than the parasitic dodder plant is the host plant, which can able to prepare the food molecules. But the parasitic plant, dodder plant, will grow towards the host plant to absorb the to depends upon the host plant. It surrounds twines around the stem of the host plant. Twines around the stem of the host plant. It winds over all the body of the host. So in that area, a twined portion. From the twined portion, there are finger-like projections which grow from this stem of the total plant and which is leads into the xylem phloem. So which leads into the xylem and phloem. Why? Because it absorbs the from the xylem it absorbs the water from the host plant. So from the phloem cells it absorbs the nutrients. Clear. It absorbs the nutrients. So it is absorbing the water as well as nutrients. So that is the type of one type of nutrition that is called parasitic nutrition. And these finger-like projections are known as the root-like structures which penetrate deep into the stem of the host plant. So the structures are known as the haustoria. Clear? And next question is sixth question. What is the function of the xylem and phloem in the host plant? So xylem is those are vessels which are present inside of the host plant. So xylem vessels will be phloem vessels will be like trachea cells, parenchyma, xylem vessels. Okay, the phloem vessels are sieve cells, sieve tubes. So parenchyma. So these cells which transport the water, xylem vessels which transport the water from the roots to the stem of the body, and phloem transport the nutrients from the leaves to the from the branches to the roots in reverse direction. Okay, this is the direction of the transport of nutrition phloem, and this is the direction of the transport of water from the roots to the stem. Clear? So ninth question is what is diffusion? So diffusion means movement of the molecules from the high concentrate to the low concentration, known as the diffusion. So why I am discussing about the diffusion in this lesson? Why? Because in the amoeba body, the movement of the food molecule from the moves from the high concentrate to the low concentration. Inside of our body, low concentration of the food. So outside of the body, high concentration of the food. Okay.